Hello guys, so I want to show you how to set up your 3000 max psi pressure washer electric, and basically this is what it comes with. When you buy it, it comes with this main, has a motor and everything, of course the handle and some other parts that you have to assemble. Um, some other things that you might need later on are gonna be some of these, like for example this one here, the um, the item, and then the other one as well. They come separate, but basically to get started, basically you need all to set it up, all this. So I'm gonna show you how to set this up real quick. The first thing you're gonna do is basically to make sure everything is free and from tangling, and basically you're gonna grab this and put it right here. So this is how it should look like after you set it up. Push it in, and then it also comes with some other small parts that you need to put it in. Basically it's gonna be the nuts. These nuts here, you have several nuts in there, the two black nuts. They go with this one. I'm gonna show you where they go. So this is where you're gonna put this. You put it from inside like this. Make sure there's space. Push all the way down. Make sure there's space for it to go in. Okay, let me try this other one first. So basically it goes in from the inside, just like this here, and on the other side right here. So that's what you do, and then you put this other side right here. So this is how it should end up looking like on both sides, on the other side as well. Next, you wanna put this up here, right up here. So it's gonna look like this. Alan, you wanna come and hold for me? Hold this, so it doesn't fall off. All right, so I'm gonna need that one, and I'm gonna take these 4 screws, and I'm gonna put them in here. Actually, even before I do that, I will need to grab this. So you need to put this in here to look like this, basically. This right here, and then another one here. And another one right here. And then you tighten. So this is how it's gonna end up looking like after bolting it in with my screwdriver. The next thing, you wanna feed all this up, these tools. They're color coded, so you put the black in the black. You push it in. The green in the green. And then you put the yellow in the yellow. You put the white in the white. And then the white, the big one goes in here, the rotating one goes in here. Yeah. Yeah. So we're gonna have this. These ones are gonna go behind here. They go in like this. Like this. But before you put them in, you need this. So you're gonna put this right here like this. And then it has a this one that goes in. So I'll show you how it goes. So this is how it's gonna end up looking like. You put this right here. And the other one like there. Okay, so the hose is gonna go here at the top one. This one right here. So the blue one.
What is not?
So like this. Now the reason why we have this is for putting the hose.
Because when it's not
Yeah.
that's not.
So basically it stays here like that. And if you're ready to use it, basically you're gonna use, put this nozzle here. There's a handle, so you connect it on it.
Connected here?
So yeah, you can connect it there like that, and
You gotta remove this.
so basically make sure it's kind of tight enough here. Okay, it's tight enough, and you can elongate this nozzle. I have an extension.
Wait.
Next, now you can extend using this. You basically put it right here, and
Screw it down.
just, yeah, screw it down. And what next? Keep screwing, right?
Keep screwing until
Yeah. So once you extend it, it's gonna look like this much, and you're good to go. So the only thing before you use it, it has a cable that you need to connect to the power right there, and then of course you also need to put the hose of water this way, and you turn it on here, and you're good to go.